So today we can make money just by using google.com, and it's gonna be so easy, guys. You will fall in love with it because it's a good money making opportunity and anyone can do it. Hit that subscribe button and let's go. So we're gonna use Google. Everybody knows what Google is. There's a lot of money in this strategy. Trust me, guys, this is the amount of money that I've got last week with this strategy, so you can do the same thing if you just follow the steps. Google.com is gonna help us and it's gonna be easy. For example, you can go on Google and you can just type in cafes, okay? And this is gonna go and open all of the cafes near your local region, but you can change region. So for example, I chose to use some which are in New York City, for example, and you can open this on Google Maps, of course. And the thing which you have to search for are the cafes who aren't ranked as good as, for example, this one, Demoletti's. Okay, so this is the first one. So this is not our customer. Okay, I'm gonna explain everything in detail. I'm gonna lay out the strategy step by step. So just make sure that you follow me. So the thing is that we want to target certain cafes which are ranked lower on Google. Okay, so you can go, for example, on fourth page over here, and then you can just go and search for these cafes. Okay, there is even this one. So for example, if you go on this website, which is called 27 Essential NYC Coffee Shops, you can just enter in that website, and that way you can find certain customers which are perfect match for today's strategy. Now, let's see what these are. You can see this is either New York. It's going to explain every of these coffee shops in New York, for example. It's going to show them on the map. So if you, anyone, or any time happen to be in New York, you can just go and check these out yourself. But that's not what we're going to do today. We're not going to fly to New York. We're going to make the money out of it. And let's see how. So for example, if you go down all the way down to the bottom of the page, the last one is not so featured, for example. So this, say, coffee shop is not featured at the top of the page, and that means they're not ranked as good, okay? But they need those ranks because people are gonna find about them way more easier, for example. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna help these people. We're gonna help this coffee shop, for example, to make a lot more money than they actually do right now. Now you might be wondering, how the hell are we gonna do that, guys? Well, the trick is here. You can make a lot of money with this and they will make a lot more money. So let's go and see. This website, which is called SERPclicks, is using the SEO rankings and it's gonna research what they should do in order to rank higher on Google search. So whenever someone comes to New York and they just type in cafes, that exact coffee shop that we're gonna affiliate for, that's gonna be on the first or second result, and that way more people are gonna go into that coffee shop and make a lot more money, right? But we're gonna make money as well, guys. SERPclicks is gonna help us because SERPclicks is connecting people to certain websites. It's helping websites to get ranked higher, okay? You can see right here that it is low cost, do-it-yourself option, easy to use, start in 60 seconds, and of course, it's gonna be real clickers. So what this website is doing, it's getting clicks from real human clickers in your country and every country out there, okay? So you can buy website traffic. But of course, guys, you won't spend a penny on this, guys, because those people, those coffee shop owners are gonna do that. What we're gonna do is we're gonna affiliate for SERPclicks, and that is easily done, guys. So you can see here, you will send them here and they will just go and check out this. They will check out what they need. They will check out what they need in order to get a lot of those clicks. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna recommend to those people. You're just gonna engage with the people, those coffee shops, for example. But of course, you can do this with pet shops, with whatever, guys. You can just go and you will show them the pricing, okay? And for example, you can get like 5 or 6 of these plans. But of course, I told you guys, you won't do it because those people are gonna do it. You're just gonna get certain percentage of these prices, okay? So if, for example, they choose this bronze option, which is $297, you can get like 40% out of it, okay? That's a lot of money, guys, and it's a month-to-month basis, okay? So you will get that money each month to your account. That's a really good money, guys. A lot of money can be made like this. So hit that subscribe button right now. Now, that's only one way of getting money, but there's another way to make money with SERP clicks, guys. So, for example, you can just go and you can scroll all the way down to the bottom of the web page and just take a look at this. Become a clicker. That you can use if you don't want to contact those people, those coffee shops. You can get paid to visit websites. Now, how cool is that actually, guys? You get paid for visiting certain websites because you're going to be that human clicker who's going to get 0.05 to 0.1 per click. Now, that's a lot of money if you just think about it, guys. How fast you can click with your mouse? Well, if you can click fast, well, that's the amount of money that you will get. You can get 10 cents per click. And just imagine, guys, 100 clicks. Well, that's a lot of money, guys. And of course, you will get 10% referral commission. The payout minimum is $5, and it is really easy to get started, okay? But first of all, you need Firefox because this is a Firefox extension, okay? You can't use Google Chrome for this. You can't use Opera. And of course, you need PayPal account for it. You can go and easily make yourself an account on PayPal. It's going to be way easy, way fast. You can do it everywhere in the world. And of course, as I've told you, you have to download Firefox browser, okay? That's going to be pretty easy. You just go to their homepage, just click on download Firefox and just download the browser, okay? You can just download that and then you will be able to use this SERP clicks extension, and this Firefox extension detects the country of your IP address and instructs you what keyword to search. So you're going to use Google, guys. You're just going to use Google and they will tell you which website to click on and how long to stay on that exact page, okay? So it's going to be pretty easy. They're going to explain everything to you guys. But what I suggest is that you do this in your own country, okay? So you can do this in your own country first, and then you can do this in any other country in the world. Now, you might be wondering how you can do that. Well, for starters, you can just go and you can use VPN, guys. It's the best tool that you can use online today, guys. For example, you can take this NordVPN, you have it on free version for Windows devices, okay? And you will just, for example, switch to another IP address, and then you can do this, I don't know, in Kenya and Nigeria and India, wherever you want to get, guys. You can do this from Holland, I don't know, Norway, whatever you want to do, guys. It's a good thing to do. You can make a lot more money simply because maybe there's not a lot of things happening in your country right now. Well, your IP address can be changed and you can just use it to your own advantage, guys, and make a lot more money, guys. That's a cool option, so I suggest to anyone to just involve themselves in it and just try and get that money, guys. I will catch you later.